Welcome to The Explainer. I'm your host, and today we're tackling something every single driver has to deal with. But let's be real, nobody actually wants to stress over it. We're talking about keeping your EasyTag account properly funded, because if you aren't paying close attention, a super simple commute can suddenly become, well, very expensive. $30. Yep, $30. That is the exact penalty fee you're going to get hit with for just a single rejected electronic funds transfer on your EasyTag account. I mean, imagine getting dinged $30 on top of your regular tolls, literally just because an old debit card expired or you simply forgot to top up your account. It perfectly establishes exactly what the stakes are if you aren't managing things properly. I think it's pretty safe to say we've all been there, right? If you're completely tired of unexpected toll violations, sudden account suspensions, or just the sheer frustration of having to remember to make manual payments, you are absolutely in the right place. Today, we're going to look at exactly why the EasyTag online portal and mobile app are the ultimate stress-free solutions for keeping you moving on the road without breaking the bank. Okay, let's dive right into this. Here is our roadmap for today. 1. The EasyTag online advantage. 2. Adding funds step by step. 3. Pro tips for your account. 4. Troubleshooting common issues. And 5. Security and terms. Section 1. The EasyTag online advantage. Seamless travel on toll roads. Look, whether you're commuting across Texas or hitting the toll roads in Oklahoma, Kansas, Florida, or Colorado, the HCTRA system uses your EasyTag to keep you moving without ever having to sit and wait in a cash line. And managing that account digitally comes with some pretty incredible benefits. You get 24-hour access via hctra.org or the EasyTag mobile app. And why this matters is actually really simple. It helps you avoid the higher toll rates and violation fines that automatically kick in the exact moment your balance goes negative. By utilizing instant balance updates and push notifications, the entire goal is ensuring your transponder is literally never suspended just because you were caught off guard. Moving on to Section 2, adding funds step by step, the digital walkthrough. Now, if you haven't actually used the app or the digital portal for this just yet, don't worry at all. The interface makes this incredibly fast and highly actionable. It's really just 4 distinct steps. First up, you're going to log in securely to hctra.org or just fire up the EasyTag app on your smartphone. Second, navigate to your Account Tools dashboard. It's right there, front and center on the home screen. Third, select the Add Funds button. And fourth, input your desired amount and confirm your payment method. You can use a saved credit card, a debit card, or even a checking account. The system processes the payment in real time, instantly updating your digital balance. Boom, done. But when it comes to funding, you do have a choice to make. Manual one-time payments versus automatic replenishment. While you can certainly go in and manually add funds to resolve a negative balance every time, the absolute easiest, most bulletproof way to avoid violations is setting up automatic replenishment. By linking a credit card or bank account, the system automatically rebills you the second your balance drops below a specific threshold. It completely removes human error from the whole equation. Section 3. Pro tips for your account. Managing multiple vehicles. Let's elevate this explainer a bit and share some really good advanced strategies for that prepaid account of yours. Now, what's really interesting here is how the automatic charge triggers actually scale up based on the number of cars you have registered. So a household with 1 to 2 vehicles has a prepaid deposit requirement of just $10, and it automatically replenishes when the balance hits $5. But if you have 3 to 4 vehicles, that deposit requirement jumps to $40, and it triggers at a $10 balance. And it scales all the way up from there. Understanding this math is absolutely crucial, so you know exactly what's going to be charged to your card as your fleet grows. Beyond just the billing math, there are some other massive perks and a few rules tucked away in the user agreement. First off, up to 8 sticker Easy Tags are completely free per account. That's huge. Second, never ever try to move a tag from one vehicle to another. It can actually damage the microchip, which leads directly to fines. Third, always maintain a valid payment method. And finally, if you travel a lot for work, definitely opt for e-statements to easily track your business expenses and dodge a $1 processing fee. All right, Section 4, troubleshooting common issues. Quick digital fixes. We all face these everyday pain points, like maybe losing a tag or getting a new credit card in the mail. Luckily, the online portal fixes them pretty much instantly. Let's just rapid fire through these. Forgot your password? Easy. Use the 2-factor authentication reset. Got a new license plate? Make sure you update it in your account immediately before you even start driving. Lost your tag or worse, it got stolen? Deactivate it online right away so you aren't stuck paying for someone else's tolls. And crucially, if your credit card expires, you have to update it before the system makes 3 consecutive failed attempts. Because if it fails 3 times, your account loses its payment form entirely, and that leads straight to suspension. No way around it. Section 5. Security and terms. Keeping your data safe. Because honestly, whenever we talk about linking bank accounts or credit cards, it's totally natural to want some reassurance that HCTRA is actually taking your financial data seriously. Well, the system absolutely does not mess around with your access. It clearly states that password resets and security protocols utilize two-factor authentication via your registered email or phone number to secure the profile before any financial edits are permitted. So your online wallet isn't just sitting out there open. It requires active authentication to protect your hard-earned funds. As we start to wrap things up today, just keep in mind that procedures and terms can and definitely do update over time. You should always consult the official HTTRA and EasyTag resources for the absolute most accurate information. But to quickly summarize, managing your EasyTag account online is hands down the single most effective way to save time, avoid those crazy steep penalties, and ensure completely uninterrupted travel. So, I want to leave you with a bit of a provocative question today. Have you ever been totally caught off guard by a toll violation? And what is your absolute top tip for managing your payments on the go? Let us know down in the comments. Share your tips, engage with the community, and let's all optimize our commutes together. Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer, and stay focused out there on the road.